Hello, good morning, children. We are back again. Here, Shapuni ma'am is going to take grammar class. Okay? Last time, I have taught you all countables and uncountables. That chapter is completed. We came to know which nouns can be counted and which cannot. So, today we are going to start chapter 10. This is singular and plural nouns. In other words, you might have studied one and many. It's page 37. One and many means if it is one book, you call just the book. And when it is many, you call it books. So you have to, in plural form, it becomes plural means many, singular means once. Singular means once and plural means many. So if any names of one person, place or thing is called singular noun. If a name of one person, keep in mind children, if it's a name of only one person, one place or one thing, it is called a singular noun. That means one. Example, kite, egg, book, drum, telephone, other singular nouns. Like this, many things are there, many names are there. But in books only few are given to make you all understand. It's clear to you? So we use a with a singular noun. So before every singular noun we put an a to mention it is only one. Now if a noun names more than one person, place or thing, it is a plural noun, means many. Once again I repeat, if a noun names more than one person, place or thing, it is a plural noun. Next, the examples are books, girls, trains, fans, flowers are plural names. So if it is a singular one, it is a book. So if it is a plural, it becomes books. If it is singular, it's a kite. That means one. And if it is more, then it becomes kites. If it is one flower, we write a flower, and that is one, singular. And if it is more flowers, many, then we write flowers. It's clear to you all? Now look at the pictures and read the word groups of the words written under them. Just see the pictures. A cat, cats. A boy, boys, many. This is one and this is many. So boys. One cat, a cat. Many cats, cats. One tree, a tree. Many trees. So it becomes trees. One apple, it becomes an apple. And many apples, so becomes apples. It's clear to you children? Now let's go to page 37. Now see, a bus, buses. ES is added here, buses. A bus, buses, many ways. Box, a box, boxes, many, one, many. singular, plural. One, many, singular, plural. A bench, one, singular. Benches, many, this is plural. A glass, singular, one, that means glasses is plural, means many. Then here is a baby, singular, one, and babies, it's more, many, that means plural. Again, once again, this is what? A monkey, singular, that means one. This is more than one, is monkeys, and it falls under the plural group. Singular, a knife, plural, knives. Chili, a chili. A leaf, singular. Many leaves, that means plural. Now, a buffalo, singular, one. Buffaloes, plural, many. A mango, singular, means one. Mangoes, many, that means plural. Now there are some change of groups we'll come to know. These are pronounced in different way. No S is added at the back. See, a foot, singular is a foot and plural is feet. Here is a goose, singular. Geese, plural. Got it? A man, singular. Men, plural. A woman, singular. Woman, plural. This is a mouse, singular. Mice, plural. Got it? Now, tooth, singular. Teeth, plural. A child, singular. Children, plural. Here is an ox, singular. Oxen, plural. Ox, singular. Plural, oxen. Got it? So here we came to know about this. Now next page. Read this word. Follow the book. I'm teaching you. Follow this part. Follow this part. Read the words given in these tables. Learn how plurals of singular are formed. Singular, pen, plural, pens. Singular, toy, plural, toys. Singular, desk, plural, desks. S is added, okay, children? Singular, photo, plural, photos. Only S is added. Donkey, singular. Donkeys, plural. Now here we add in plural form, we add ES. First one we added S. Here some words will change with ES to plurals, means to many. Like class, then you write at the back ES. It becomes plural. Classes. Bus. You add ES at the back. It becomes buses. Singular, hero. Plural will be hero and then add ES. Heroes, that means plural, many. Potato, potato. Then after potato, add ES. After O at the back, add ES. It becomes potatoes. Tomato, again tomato plus ES. tomatoes, plural. So singular is class, plural is classes. Singular is bus, plural is buses. Singular hero, plural is heroes. Singular potato, plural is potatoes. Singular tomato, plural is tomatoes. Now we add IES. Jelly, jellies. Y will be removed. IES. Story, singular. Remove Y. Add IES at the back. It becomes stories. City, 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 singular. Remove the Y from the back and add IES. It becomes cities. Pony, 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 singular. Remove the Y and add IES. It becomes ponies. Fly. Now remove the Y. It becomes flies. FLIES, flies. For plural, now singular, VES. How we change P words which can be changed to plural by adding VES. Now LEAF, leaf. You remove the F, you add VES. So it becomes leaves. KNIFE, knife. You remove FE and you add VES. So it becomes KNIVES, knives. That is plural. SHELF, shelf. Remove the F and add VES. SHELVES. So it becomes shelves. Now CALF, calf. You remove the F and add VES. So it becomes CLAVES, calves. Now another set of singular plural which doesn't change, it remains the same. You have to keep it in mind. Sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Barracks, barracks. Aircraft, aircraft. Furniture, furniture. So in this case, these names remains the same in both singular and plural. Children, you understood? That is sheep, deer, barracks and furniture. Okay? I hope you all understood. We learned singular plural by adding S. We learned singular plurals by adding plurals from ES. We learned singular plural forms by forming IES, adding. We learned singular plurals by adding VES plurals. And there's 4 names given which they remain same for both singular and plural. Now, exercise A, you have to choose from here and write it down here. You have to choose from the block and do it here. I'll give you the snapshot. Is clear to you? Please do it. And here is also another block which you have to choose from up and do it. I'll be giving the snapshot so that you can see and write it down. Okay, children? Hope you understood singular plural. You have learned before also. Was a one many, and I hope you will not have any difficulty. Okay? So we'll meet on the next class.